So let's go ahead and get started. I would love, when I first started this journey, I kept hearing all of these different definitions of a prompt and prompt engineering. When I first started learning about prompting and prompt engineering, the definitions I would get from people, I'm like, oh my gosh, this seems like something I could never learn. One of the reasons we're going through this right now is because I want you all to know everyone can learn prompt engineering when it comes to AI technology as we know it now, because it's a language model. So my definition that I use, I try to keep it as simple as possible because again, this is about accessibility and I want you all to know you can absolutely earn money with AI prompting and you can grow your business, grow your life by understanding the basics of prompt engineering. So the definition I give for a prompt is just a set of instructions. So this could be a prompt if you have Siri on your phone or you have Alexa and you say, hey, what time is it? What time it is? what what's the temperature today, set an alarm. It's really a set of instructions, a command, a statement, a group of words that has an intended outcome. That's all a prompt is. When it comes to prompt engineering, what we're doing is we're looking at the output that we get from our prompt and we are designing the prompt to get a closer output to what we desire. So I'm going to give you a little bit of background here and use the one-click course creator prompt as an example. So if you're in ChatGPT right now and you want to experiment with me. So right now I'm in ChatGPT and I'm going to put in a basic prompt for an output. Okay, so this is a set of instructions. So I'm going to type in here and say, create a course outline about digital marketing for beginners. So this is what I would call a basic prompt. Let's see what it gives me. So it's going to give me a course description, which is great. It gives me a course duration. It gives me a target audience, some course objectives, and it gives me an outline, a 16-week outline. It gives me course materials, assessment, certification. This is actually pretty good. Now what I want you all to see, and I want you to start with AI PRM. The reason I start here is because I want you to see what an advanced prompt looks like. So the output that I got from that basic prompt, create a course outline about digital marketing for beginners, is actually pretty good. But I want you to see now what happens when you use let's say the one-click course creator prompt, which is an advanced prompt. So this is what we're talking about today. How can we write more advanced prompts to get a much better output? That's what prompt engineering is. When you know how to do this, you can create anything you want with AI, with Poe, with ChatGPT, with Hey Pi. If you know how to prompt, you are empowered to get the best output and outcome, which is why this is so important. So I want to just show you an example of what happens. So if you now go to the one-click course creator, which if you're at the oneclickcoursecreator.com website, you just click try for free. And I'm going to put in the same prompt, digital marketing for beginners. So I want you to see what happens when we use a prompt template. I use the one-click course creator and then the same prompt, and I got a much more advanced course. Okay, I got a course overview, I got a desired outcome. I have 6 modules with learning objectives, real world examples, activities, discussion questions, expanded learning, video script. That's for each module. Okay, so this is more than enough to get started, to go live with, start creating content. I'm getting a whole course here. And then the other thing about the one-click course creator is that it's going to give you a project plan because I used it with my background of instructional design and curriculum design. So you're starting with the end result in mind. And so many courses don't lead to results, and it's because they're not designed with backwards planning, starting with the end result, the outcome in mind. So I just wanted to show you that the difference between a beginner prompt, right? A basic prompt versus an advanced prompt. And this is where the monetization comes in. You creating a custom advanced prompt, a prompt template for your course or your brand.